guys, nice to see you again. Thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Guys, today we're doing again charcuterie. I have a very good piece of meat. It's very rare to find it. It's a piece of loin with, look how big fat. In Italy we make it just from the black pig. Look at that, it's something very nice. My butcher, this is the rare breed of pork, is the large white. I want to make like Italian style. We have a lonzino with a lot of this fat, gonna be absolutely delicious. Guys, what we need, I put here 3 teaspoons of black pepper fine, 4 teaspoons of coarse black pepper, 3 teaspoons of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic, 200 grams of sea salt, and some fresh herb. I have rosemary, bay leaves, and thyme. Okay, the first step we have to do is very easy, guys. You know, we take a bowl, we put everything inside, okay? Everything. Mix everything, okay? Like that. Always, guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel, check our website cookingwithanitalian.com, okay? It's mixed. What we have to do now is, I have this big bowl, but I hope you have one the same, but if not, try to not make any mess. We have to cure the loin. Start massage, okay? From everywhere. And now take your time. Because I want to just say, the pork fat, the fat, never absorb the salt and that. But this one gonna be, of course, guys, thinking about where you gonna save it, because we're gonna save this in the fridge for 3.5 months. Okay, that's why plan what you're gonna do, because it's gonna be in the fridge long time. Okay, now bay leaves, just massage everywhere, very good. I can tell you, massage this for at least 10 minutes, you know? Put everything on, massage very well, and I'm gonna show you the next step soon, okay? Okay, guys, you see? When you have something like that, it's ready. Now, guys, this one, cure, gonna be in the fridge around 6 days, 1 week, okay? And find the space in the fridge. I'm gonna store it like this, because I don't want it gonna touch the meat. Put some grill, put like this, all this salt and the spicy put on, okay? Because here gonna be a lot liquid, okay? Now I wash my hands 1 second. Basically, we're gonna put in the fridge this for 1 week, basically, okay? But every day, every couple of days, if you can, just massage it and move it. Turn it, move like that, you know, because in the fridge you can try the different way, okay? And after this, I'm gonna show you the next step. I show you how I can storage it. This is my fridge. I put on top here you know? Gonna be there 1 week. I know my partner gonna be very nervous about that because I block the fridge all the time, but when she try it, she like it. Okay, see you in 1 week. Okay guys, our Lonza, this is after 8 days. For me it's quite dry. Look, loose water, stuff like that.
That's not water, that's...
It's liquid from there. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna try to clean it. Now, guys, do this. Try to clean more as possible. Wash a little bit with water, red wine, vinegar.
Oh, beer.
We're using beer, okay? Any beer. You want to try? No. Okay, we wash it like this. Take your time. Just the there like that.
You can start in the bone.
No, this is meat.
Oh.
Okay, it's perfect. This is a part of the fat. Now, guys, and now we're gonna try to dry it a little bit. Try to dry it very it the best you can. Now, basically, we're gonna put some little bit more salt and pepper. Here I have 2 teaspoons, but I'm gonna use maybe 1, as well the black pepper. Black pepper I can put 2 teaspoons, yeah. And
can I put this inside?
no. We mix, and now again
That's a lot of pepper.
Make sure where you're gonna have it, because this is gonna take at least 3 months to dry. Anyway guys, now I wash my hands, I clean a little bit this mess, and I'm gonna show you the next step. We're gonna try to put in the skin, okay?
Yeah.
Okay guys, my Lonza is clean. Why? For me it's perfect. Now we're gonna try to put in the skin. Ask your butcher, someone have the foil, someone use the synthetic foil. I try to use the natural stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. We try this. This one is beef one.
It's beef, so it's nice and big.
It's quite big, but
Because
I
beef
don't
is
know if it's big enough.
Oh!
I don't know. Oh yeah, look there. You know,
Look at that.
in this at the moment,
The skin.
the skin, guys, take your time.
Now
Try to don't break it. Wow, I don't believe it's slowly.
It's underneath skin.
Squeeze the part.
Well, it's technically not skin, and it.
Anyway, guys, I try slowly to put this in. I think it's not long.
I think it's not work.
No, and see you when is this inside. I show you the next. Okay.
10 hours.
Very quiet, yeah, but I did it. Unbelievable. Now, what we're gonna do, guys? Now we need the string. Take one.
You don't like tie the gut.
Yeah. Go close
So there's no
as
end.
possible here. And do a knot.
As close as possible,
Yeah,
but not too close.
like this. And make a nice
Make the knots.
hole like that, because don't forget we're gonna hang it in the fridge, okay? Now, knife.
We don't cut.
This is off,
I don't cut that little piece. Yeah.
and we're gonna cut at least we got here. Okay, and this side is already done. Pull down like that, you know.
nice and tight here. We're gonna repeat the same from this side. Like this.
And cut it off.
Try to make strong as possible. Okay, now another roll from here. Now guys, the very important here is
The knots are strong.
the fermentation time. The fermentation time is important. We're gonna leave just hanging room temperature. When I say room temperature, I'm looking for around at least 22 to 25. If you have more, even better. 26, 27 is perfect. You know, well, 24 to 48 hours. If you have, have this temperature, you can put some heat close in the room. Important some
If you don't
aeration.
if you-
With one of these, just make some hole.
So it can breathe.
Yeah, and all air go out. And when dry, okay. Now guys, because our challenge is make this charcuterie, okay, it's not easy in a normal fridge. Make sure where you're gonna hanging this, because at least we need 3 months here, okay? Okay guys, now I'm going to put this in the room for, I think I'm gonna leave for 48 hours, for 2 days. And I'm gonna show you the next step, okay? Okay guys, after 48 hours, 2 days, my Lonza, look, nice and dry, look. It's beautiful. Look at that. In the room, I put close to the heat. You know the big fat, this is gonna be absolutely amazing. This Lonza is the difference of the video is with a very deep fat. It's gonna be absolutely delicious. This is gonna live at least 3 months. I storage this like, you see, I make space here and this is another salami, nice. I make here, inside, no problem, close the fridge, everything is perfect. See you around 3 months, okay? Ciao! Guys, the Lonza, my Lonza is ready. It's 2 months, 8 weeks from the fish. It's quite dry, even a little bit too much for me, but I left 2 months because it was the big fat. And now it's time to try. Always, I'm super excited today to do this. Anyway, this is real skin, you see? It's the real one. Anyway, now we're gonna try. The smell is quite good. Huh? Perfect. And now it's time to try. Wow, look at I'm happy. Wow, fantastic. It's absolutely wow, fantastic. And now we cut it. Try to cut thin as possible. Look at that. This is a masterpiece, guys. It's the challenge is always in the normal fridge. We do this in the normal fridge. Don't forget. Oh, look at that. It's fantastic. I will try it. Wow. Absolutely delicious, guys. Wow. With the bread. No. Albacio is perfect, guys. Wow. What can I say? My Lonza, this was very big. Look at fat. It's not easy to find this. Guys, my Lonza is this. Always, if you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.